Are you traveling, down on your luck, or just curious about where you can safely catch some sleep in your car? In this video, we'll explore dozens of places across the country where people have successfully parked overnight. Some are well known, some are surprising, and some work best if you're careful and blend in. Stick around because I guarantee there will be at least a few ideas you've never thought of before. Rest stops. Highway rest areas are one of the most common spots. They're designed for tired drivers to take breaks, and many allow overnight stays. You'll usually find bathrooms, vending machines, and lighting for safety. Casino parking lots. Casinos often welcome overnight parking because they hope you'll come inside and play. Many even allow RVs and trucks, making them a great option if you want a safe, busy, and well-lit lot. Churches. Church parking lots are often quiet at night and empty during the week. Some churches even offer formal programs for car campers, but always check or be discreet. Truck stops. Truck stops like Pilot, Flying J, or Love's are open 24/7. They provide bathrooms, showers, and sometimes Wi-Fi. They're busier and noisier than other options, but you won't stand out. Hospital parking lots. Beyond just the emergency room, many hospitals have overflow lots. These are busy around the clock, so it's unlikely anyone will question a car parked overnight. BLM land and national forests. If you're near the west or in rural areas, Bureau of Land Management land or national forest trailheads allow free dispersed camping. You'll have peace, quiet, and no one bothering you. Just follow local rules. Apartment complexes. Large apartment lots often have cars coming and going at all hours. If you blend in and don't take someone's assigned space, you can usually stay unnoticed. Grocery store or mall parking lots. Big box store lots are often empty overnight. Malls in particular can work well because the parking areas are huge and rarely patrolled after hours. Industrial and business parks. After 6 p.m., these areas usually empty out. Office parking lots or cul-de-sacs in industrial zones can be quiet, low-traffic places to park overnight. Police stations. Surprisingly, some people park near a police station for peace of mind. While you should be careful and not draw attention to yourself, being nearby can make you feel safer. Walmart and Cracker Barrel. These two are well-known options. Many Walmarts and Cracker Barrels allow overnight RV or car parking, especially if you ask. Some even have designated spots for travelers. Parking garages. In cities, parking garages can offer shelter and anonymity. They're not always free, but if you need a safe place that's hidden from view, they can work well. Employee parking areas. Near large businesses, hospitals, or distribution centers, employee parking areas are often busy at shift changes but quiet at night. If you blend in, you usually won't be noticed. Safe parking programs. Some cities have official safe parking programs for people living in vehicles. These are monitored, legal, and often include bathrooms or security. Movie theater parking lots. Theaters are busy until late at night, but after closing, the lots are quiet. It's an easy place to blend in, especially if you arrive before the last shows let out. Scenic overlooks and pullouts. On highways or mountain roads, pullouts and scenic areas often allow overnight stops. They're peaceful, but make sure you're parked legally and safely. Driveway of friends or family. Sometimes the simplest option is the best. Park at a friend or relative's house. It's safe, private, and usually hassle-free. 24-hour gyms. Chains like Planet Fitness or Anytime Fitness are open all night. If you have a membership, you can not only park but also get a shower and bathroom access. University campuses. College and university lots can be good overnight options, especially near dorms or sports fields. Just avoid clearly marked permit-only areas. Car dealerships and auto shops. If you park among rows of vehicles at a dealership or in the lot of a mechanic shop, you won't stand out. Some travelers use this trick effectively. Community centers and libraries. These lots are often empty overnight and less patrolled than commercial areas. They can be quiet, low-key spots to rest. Welcome centers. State welcome centers off the highway are designed for travelers and often allow overnight parking. They're well lit, safe, and sometimes staffed around the clock. Marinas and boat ramps. If you're near water, marinas often have overnight parking. It's common for boaters and fishermen, so a car there doesn't look suspicious. Residential streets. This one's tricky. If you choose quiet neighborhoods, park respectfully, and don't draw attention, you can often get away with sleeping unnoticed. Sports complexes or stadiums. When no events are happening, these massive lots sit empty and can be perfect for an overnight stay. Storage unit facilities. If you rent a unit, some storage places allow overnight parking. Even if they don't, being there late isn't always questioned. High school or elementary schools. After dark, school parking lots are empty and quiet. Just be sure you're gone before morning when staff and students arrive. Scattered farm or orchard stands. In rural areas, some farmers are okay with travelers parking overnight, especially if you buy some produce. Airport long-term parking. If you don't mind paying, airports have long-term parking where sleeping in your car doesn't stand out. People do it between flights all the time. Festival grounds and fairgrounds. Off-season, these lots are huge and rarely patrolled. They can be excellent stealth camping spots. As you can see, there are dozens of different places where people have safely slept in their cars, from official programs to creative stealth spots. The key is to stay respectful, low profile, and safe. Which of these places surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it.